what's up? I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. So long overdue, I know. I'm going to be trying out some new products from Makiage, and I'm so excited. So excited because today I want drama, I want colors, and it just feels so bubbly today, like so let's go ahead and jump into what I got. Let's go. This is my little package of my new products from Makiage New York. Let's go ahead and see, because I actually did not really go through these because I wanted to like really do like the unboxing on camera. So I got this little card in here saying Makiage. It says, "Hey nasty girls," because this is Makiage featuring Rico Nasty. So that's the collection that this is for. So it says, "Hey nasty girls all around the world. I'm putting you on to my first ever makeup collection with Makiage. I designed it to feel hella luxe for y'all. Sleek on the outside, mother party on the inside." This collection is straight up eye candy, so do whatever you want with it. Hashtag no rules, from getting dollars to getting lit. Neon rage at AF. XOXO getting nasty. Rico nasty. So yeah, I really love the green. Let's talk about that. I love the pouch, like perfect to put my makeup in, like perfect, like what? And everything is branded like Makiage, you know, times featuring Rico Nasty. Oh my gosh. One thing I can tell about Makiage is that they will always come through with really nice packaging. I love this. Honestly. This is the first palette. I believe I have another palette in here. So nice. So this is a mixture of like mattes and shimmers in this palette, and this is the LOWFI Pressed Pigment palette. It has 12 shades in here. They're very nice. I can't wait to try those out. And then we got another palette. It has the same, like, you know, neon green vibe packaging. So that first one was black. Okay, and this one is silver. Okay, alright. So this is where we have more drama with the colors, and this is so pretty. So pretty. I definitely feel like I'm gonna be dabbling into these colors today. I feel like I'm going to like pretty much use the two palettes for my eye look today. These are so pretty, guys. So pretty. This has 6 shades, and this is the Neon Rage palette. These two, oh my god, packaging win. I have 3 liners in here that came with that. So that's all that came in the package. So 2 palettes, 3 liners, and let's go ahead and see what these are. So HELLCAT, that's this one, and it's a white. Oh, it's so smooth. It's so smooth. So pigmented too. Like it just glides right on. Wow. Is this like waterproof? You see it? No. This is perfect for line up on your waterline, because you know a lot of the time you want that pop in your eye and you want to line it with white. Some whites can be runny, but they girl, I love that. Me love that. That nice. It nice. I love that one here. I feel like I'm gonna throw that in my look today. It's been a minute since I played around with white liners, so like why not? Alright, so the next one we have is Longwear Eye Pencil, and this is a LAMBO. All of them has featuring Rico Nasty on it. So this is black. Can't go wrong with a good black line, and they're so smooth. Like so smooth. So let's go ahead and test this one. Okay, that one smudge. That one does smudge. Okay. one doesn't smudge. So okay, all right, cool. And so let's check out the last one. Forgive me, it's 2 liners and 1 brush. So this is actually the shade and blend brush. So it has like 2 sides to it. There's one side, obviously you can use this to blend. That's how that looks. You can use that to blend. And then there's a smaller side looking like this. You could use that to, you know, apply a shadow. Yeah, both of them can be used to apply shadows. I'm gonna be using this in my look today as well. So first, I'm just gonna get my brows done and I'll come back. I'm going in with my El Makiage eyebrow pencil. So I actually wanted to go a little darker with the brows today, so I used another brow liner to kind of just darken it up a little bit in combination with my El Makiage liner. To clean up my brows, of course you guys know I'm going in with my El Makiage I'm Flawless concealer. First one I'm taking is 2.5. That's the shade I'm going in with first. Remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow? I'm gonna go in on the top with number 12. Slow down. Going to be taking my LOWFI palette and I'm going to be going in with Vacation. Unreal intertwined and you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery, it won't do. Further down the line, so I'm doing a cut crease look, going in with some white base. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down, slow down. I'm going in with Petite, that's the name of the shadow. It's orange, but it has shimmer to it. So I'm going in with this in the inner portion on the lid. For the eye look, I'm actually going to do a wing liner, but I'm going to go in with blue. Forever living in the dark. I feel so alive. Still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Can't yellow. So it's like some yellow glitter pigment.
Unreal intertwined, and you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery, it won't do. Further down the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you.
I'm done with the eyes. I'm just gonna move on to the face. To start off with the face, just to prep the skin for me personally, I just usually go in with some primer. My Makiage No Filter Poreless Primer.
Doors closed, not a sound. Take a look at I am now. Still a smile but don't speak.
Today I'm just gonna go with some concealer and powder, and the look is going to look as if I still use foundation. So what I'm gonna be using is my FM Flawless, because you guys know this is my long time makeup routine. I'm gonna be using FM Flawless concealer again, same one I use to clean up my brows, and I'm going to mix it with number 12, so 2.5 and number 12 that I'm gonna mix for all the areas I want to highlight. And then after I set those areas, I just go all over my face with my face powder, and that's what I do.
Searching for something. Door is closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still a smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. And I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so...
Absolutely no foundation at all. I'm not quite done with the face yet because I need to spray it down and let all the powders and stuff settle in. I'm going in with this liner. This one is the Longwear Eye Pencil HELLCAT, and this is just white. And you guys saw the smudge test that I did. So
searching for something. Door is closed, not a sound. Take a look at...
Guys, I apologize for the noises in my background, but this is a vibe. No, I need to glow my face, so I need to.
Slow down. Slow down.
I'm gonna take my Makiage Gold Sand Highlighter though.
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
We're doing nude lips, guys. Of course, I'm gonna do nude lips. Like all this glow, all this color, all this slay. We just wanna take it easy on the lips. So I'm gonna do like this lippy from Makiage. This is the 429 matte lip. It's the Infinity Longwear matte lip cream, and I'm gonna go over that with clear gloss.
On the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose.
I love the way this look came out. Like everything looks super flawless. Like I'm going to list all the products used so you guys can go ahead and get them for yourself if you're interested. Yeah, because it is lit. This wig, the video of this is up now. If it's not up yet, then it's going to be my next video. But yeah, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up